Arun Lal was not the most spontaneously gifted of cricketers, but compensated with an abundance of blood, sweat and toil that marked him out from his peers for higher laurels. With his father, uncle, and cousin all having been top performers in the Ranji Trophy, Arun's cricketing pedigree was impeccable. Although an underachiever at the highest level, he was a prodigious performer in domestic cricket and retired in fifth position in the all-time Ranji run aggregates, with 6,760 runs at 53.23. Having played 6 seasons for Delhi without unveiling his latent abilities, Arun made a strategic move to Bengal in 1980 to 1981 which struck pay dirt. Summoned for a test call-up against Sri Lanka in 1982 at the relatively late age of 27, he responded with 63 in his debut innings. Arun was not a conspicuous success on the tour of Pakistan, which followed where many an experienced hand came a cropper against Imran Khan. Biding his time during the 4 years of exile that followed, he burst into a frenzy of activity in the 1986 to 1987 season with identical scores of 287 in the Ranji pre-quarters and the Duleep semis. Rewarded with a test place against Pakistan at his adopted home in Calcutta when Sunil Gavaskar refused to play there, Arun made a firm statement of purpose with 2 half-centuries. After Sunny's retirement, followed a sequence of 11 successive test appearances which began promisingly enough against the West Indies at home as he made his highest test score of 93 at Calcutta. But his career ended limply against the same opposition away in 1989. Arun Lal's last hurrah was in the 1989 to 1990 Ranji season when Bengal won the title after 51 years, with his most important contribution being a knock of 189 that helped shut out Bombay in the quarters. Arun Lal debuted in Test cricket against Sri Lanka at Chennai on 17 September 1982. His last Test match was against West Indies at Kingston on 28 April 1989. Arun Lal debuted in ODI cricket against England at Cuttack on 27 January 1982. His last ODI match was against West Indies at Georgetown on 21 March 1989. Arun Lal played 16 Test matches, 29 innings, and scored 729 runs with a batting average of 26.03. His highest score of 93 against West Indies at Eden Gardens, Kolkata, in 1987 didn't help much as the test ended in a draw. He hit 6 half-centuries in his entire test career. As a fielder he took 13 catches. Arun Lal played 13 ODI matches, 13 innings, and scored 122 runs in his entire ODI career with a poor batting average of 9.38. His ODI strike rate is 52.58. His highest ODI score of 51 against West Indies at Eden Gardens, Kolkata, in 1988 helps India to win the match by 56 runs. He hits 1 half-century in his entire ODI career along with 1 6. As a fielder, he took 4 catches. Arun Lal had a fantastic first-class record. He played 156 matches, 240 innings, and scored 10,421 runs with a beautiful batting average of 46.94. His highest score in first-class cricket is 287. He has 30 centuries in his kitty. In List A cricket, Arun Lal played 65 matches, 64 innings, and scored 1,734 runs with a batting average of 28.90.